Hi, my name is Jesse Hernandez, and I'm a member of the instructional support team here in eLearning. With the templates already loaded into your course, Canvas makes it simple for you to make copies of the template pages, move them where you want them in your course modules, and then edit them to fill in the appropriate course content. By using the duplicate option within Canvas, you can make exact copies of any of the template material, which you can then edit as needed. You can duplicate either individual items or an entire module. Currently, the only thing you cannot duplicate is a quiz, but we have included a workaround solution. To use these templates, identify the module where you want the content to go. If not yet built, create the module, or you may instead duplicate the entire template module. If not a quiz, find the template you wish to use and duplicate the item. Drag the copy of the template into the module where you wish it to go. Edit and rename the copy so you don't accidentally overwrite the template. Open and select Edit. Use the space provided to include your content within the Tilt framework. Be sure to save your changes. If a quiz, create a new quiz within the desired module. In one tab or window, open and edit the template quiz. Select HTML Editor, click into the text box and select All. That's Ctrl-A on Windows and Command-A on Mac. Once selected, click Ctrl-C to copy. That's Ctrl-C on Windows and Command-C on Mac. In another tab or window, open and edit the newly created quiz. Select HTML Editor. Click into the text box, then clicking Ctrl-V for paste. And that's Ctrl-V for Windows and Command-V for Mac. Once pasted, scroll down and save. Once saved, click Edit. Use the space provided to include your content within the Tilt framework. Click the Questions tab to begin writing or importing your questions. And be sure to save. Thank you for listening.